The Nothing CMF Phone 3 Pro is expected to launch soon, and timing-wise it lines up pretty closely with its predecessor. The CMF Phone 2 Pro arrived on April 28th last year, so this one is likely to show up either by the end of this month or sometime in May. As of now, there's still no official launch date confirmed, but based on Nothing's usual cycle, we're clearly getting very close. As for upgrades, the display is expected to remain largely the same as the 2 Pro. That means a similar AMOLED panel with a high refresh rate, so the overall viewing experience should still be smooth and vibrant. It's not a major change, but since the previous display was already solid for the price, this feels more like a don't fix what isn't broken approach. What is changing though is the processor. The phone is expected to move away from MediaTek and switch to a Snapdragon chip, specifically the 7S Gen 4. Compared to the 2 Pro, this is roughly a 40% jump in performance. In real-world terms, that should translate to faster app launches, better multitasking, and more stable gaming performance. It also suggests improved efficiency, which should help with better battery optimization over time. And that ties directly into another upgrade because battery's getting a noticeable boost this time. The capacity is expected to go beyond the usual 5,000 mAh mark, potentially landing around 5,400 to 5,500 mAh. At the same time, the typical rated capacity is said to be around 5,090 mAh, but brands often market the higher figure. This will likely be paired with 45 watt wired charging, up from 33 watts on the previous model, which means noticeably quicker top-ups. There's no confirmation on reverse wired charging yet, but since the 2 Pro supported 5 watts reverse charging, there's a good chance it could return. Overall, this setup should make the phone more reliable for all-day use, especially with heavier usage. On the camera side, the biggest change seems to be in the layout and overall setup rather than a confirmed jump in raw specs. The rear design is expected to look more refined, possibly with a cleaner or more spaced out arrangement of sensors. While there's no clear indication of a major leap in image quality, the focus seems to be on consistency and usability rather than chasing big numbers. So expect a camera system that performs well in everyday scenarios without necessarily pushing into flagship territory. Design-wise, the changes appear to be more subtle but still meaningful. The mid-frame could switch from plastic to metal, which would improve both the in-hand feel and overall durability. That alone can make the phone feel more premium, even if the overall design language stays true to CMF's customizable style. So it's more of a refinement than a complete redesign. Overall, the CMF Phone 3 Pro feels like a more mature version of what CMF has been trying to do. Instead of focusing mainly on design and affordability, this one looks like it's aiming for a better balance. You still get that distinct CMF identity, but now backed by stronger performance, improved battery life, and a more polished overall experience that should feel like a proper upgrade over the previous model. Peace.